Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
Knieh ka China, jaka jong ka India, Pyni ka China da ka thymmai. Ka China, kala pendom ya ka India, namar ba kala penmi ya ka thymmai jong ka, ba ka Arunachal Pradesh, ka hapha uput usam jong ka China. Katkum ka thymmai jong ka China, ka peniru, ba ka Aksai Chin, ka badai ka bynta jong ka Taiwan, bat ka South China Sea, ka badon ka jingya ka ji, ki hapha uput usam jong ka China. Unong yalam jong ka Kongres umanis teori ula takranya ka thymmai jong ka China ula ong ya ka bomlak banlong ula keren ru syapang kisuloi ya ka sorkar jong umodi namar ka jingbom pensangi ya ka China ya ka jinglong hangame bat ka jingkni jaka jong ka China.
Chinese maps are preposterous. They are not in sync with the history of the Sino-Indian border dispute. China has no claim whatsoever on Arunachal Pradesh. The border in the eastern sector is the McMahon line, which has been recognized since 1913. The only pending issue between India and China is the vacation of those 2,000 square kilometers, which China has illegally occupied by transgressing Xi Jinping, who is in illegal occupation of 2,000 square kilometers of Indian territory along the line of actual control.